is being through video conference. Now I call the meeting to order. I like immense pleasure in welcoming all members to the 42nd annual general meeting of the Now, Mr. Kishore Kumar Halder, Managing Director, will become the will welcome all shareholders and directors and invitees. Our
A very good morning to all of you. I, Keshav Kumar Halder, the Managing Director of your company, extend a very warm welcome to the members, the directors, and the key managerial persons, the statutory auditor, the secretarial auditor, and the scrutinizer present at the 42nd annual general meeting of the company, which is being held through video conferencing and other audio and visual means in terms of the General Circular issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities and Exchange Board of India. I sincerely regret that we are unable to meet in person in these two as COVID-19 protocol still continues. Therefore, shareholders who are attending the AGM of the company through VC, their presence through the VC facility will be reckoned for the purpose of quorum under the Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. I would now like to start by introducing our board of directors and key managerial personnel. Mr. Prabhat Kumar Halder, Director, Mrs. Poloumi Halder, Director, Mr. Devashish Saha, Independent Director, Ms. Orpita Das, Independent Director, Mr. Mrinal Devnath, CFO, Mr. Abhishek Pal, CS, Mr. Binod Mahato, Auditor, and Mr. Binoy Agarwala, Guest. All efforts feasible under the circumstances have been made by the company to enable members to participate through VC and vote on their being considered at this AGM. I now request Mr. Mrinal Devnath, CFO, to welcome the shareholders and directors. Mrinal, please continue.
Thank you, our beloved Chairman sir and MD sir. Good morning, everyone. I welcome all the members in annual general meeting of Halder Venture Limited. The members are participating through video conferencing. It is made available for the members on first come first served basis. We have received requests from few members to register them as speakers at this meeting. For your information, the floor will be open for discussion for for the members to ask some questions after our MD's speech. The company had provided the facility to all the shareholders to cast their votes electronically on 3 resolutions as set forth in the notice of the AGM. Only those shareholders who are present in the AGM through video conferencing system have not casted their vote on resolution through remote e-voting and are otherwise not barred from doing so shall be eligible to vote their vote through e-voting system available during the AGM. The company has appointed CS Mr. Manas Prasad Shah as a scrutinizer for this purpose. I hope that you all have pursued the notice and financial statement of Halder Venture Limited for the March 2020. Now I request our MD sir to address the members.
Dear fellow shareholders, I warmly welcome all of you to the 42nd Annual General Meeting of your company. I consider it a great privilege to address this gathering and share my views on the performance of the company for the financial year 2023-24. With the permission of the members, I like the notice convening this meeting as read. I have pleasure in informing you that the auditor's report contains unmodified opinion on the financial statement. With the permission of the members, I take the auditor's report as read. Members may further note that in accordance with the provisions of Companies Act 2013 and the SEBI Listing and Obligation Disclosure Requirements Regulation 2015, all the members were provided with e-voting facility for exercising their vote. Before we start talking about the performance of the company in the past year, I want to take this opportunity to highlight that 2024 marks the 100th year of Halder Group's presence in the rice and edible oil industry. So I want to pay homage to my forefathers, especially Mr. Chandra Halder and Mr. Madan Halder family's venture in the agro-processing business. It is for their foresight, vision, and dedication that we stand here today in front of you all. With the coming of performance of the company in the past year, during the last financial year, the standalone turnover of the company amounted to rupees 9,474.31 lakhs, 64,365.68 lakhs. Hence, the standalone and consolidated turnover increased by 197% and 76% respectively. However, both standalone and consolidated profit have been increased during the year by 138% and 97% respectively. The management is hoping for better results in the coming years. Your company, Halder Venture Limited, hereinafter referred as HVL or your company, is having a countrywide as well as global presence in the agro-based FMCG sector with particular focus on rice and edible oil. Your company is mainly engaged in the following sectors: manufacturing and packaging, as well as export of indigenous varieties of premium quality parboiled rice like Minikit, Baskati, 4094, Saurabh, Swarna, Sita, and a few others. Import, refining, and packaging of soybean oil, sunflower oil, and palm oil. Solvent extraction, refining, and packaging of rice bran oil. HVL has marked its presence in India's market with our domestic rice brand Bhojmoti selling different categories of premium parboiled rice, and our edible oil brands Odana and Omana selling soybean oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, palm oil, and rice bran oil in all the eastern India. We have made significant strides in our effort to increase our brand presence in the Eastern India edible oil and rice market by increasing our branded sales manifold in this financial year. Globally, we have launched our new rice brand Bhoj, Diva, and Uma successfully in several African, European, and Asian countries. And we are very happy to announce that we have become market leader in our product segment in terms of quality in these countries, thus helping us carry forward our goal to providing premium quality products to our customers around the world. Over the years, we have grown our rice business to meet different price points to keep pace with changing consumer trend, be in health or convenience, and cater to taste the different geographies. This has helped us in meeting regional consumers' preference and growing our market share. We continued our focus on transforming our business to emerge as a growing global brand for rice and edible oil. HVL focuses on bringing product differentiation and convenience to its consumers' daily needs, setting the standard for quality and taste. Your company is determined to produce products that are healthy and good for the environment. We are keeping pace with changing consumer trend and quality with continuous investment on the brand front as well as in the back end to improvement in our production process. As your company grows significantly year on year, we are making considerable changes in the infrastructure front to be able as sustain this growth in the years to come. We are focusing heavily on the developing different internal processes to streamline our operations and promote data-driven decision making, thus ensuring that different departments and manufacturing units operate the optimal capacity always. Through the implementation of our new ERP system within the whole organization, we have increased visibility into very little aspect of the business. We will see the clear efforts of this in the years to come as these steps are helping us develop the platform for the next phase of growth within the company. Keeping in mind our collective purpose of nurturing humanity and possibilities of human endeavor, we are marching forward with a vision to create a healthy, well nurtured, and progressive community for the future. A part of this is to cater high quality, nutrient rich, and varied portfolio of product by evaluating the changing need and taste preference of our consumers. Coming to future growth, there are quite a few different projects that we are working on that will get executed in the financial year 24-25. Firstly, expansion of the global market. Continuing the efforts from last year, we will be stepping into few new markets for rice sale in Africa, CIS, and Middle East. We are in the process of developing another premium category rice brand for the domestic market with new kinds of rice like Jirakati, Dudeshwar, Govindabhog, and few others. This will help in significantly increasing our domestic presence through modern trade and e-commerce channels. Additionally, the same process is being followed for international markets, whereby we can give a flavor of these premium Indian rice varieties to our consumers globally. We are already in the process of expanding our rice production capacity from 400 TPD to 600 TPD, which will help us to cater in volume to the new markets that we will be entering this year. Similarly, we are also in the process of expanding our oil refining capacity. Seeing the demand that we have generated for the edible oils that we produce, namely palm oil, soybean oil, and rice bran oil, we have decided to increase our production capacity manifold. That will again help in catering to the market that we have already created and keep up with this demand. In addition to that, we also want to focus on developing more value added byproducts and become a significant contributor to the oleochemical industry in India. Research and development have always been a major focus for us within the company, be it be developed new product or to bring in changes in our manufacturing process to increase efficiency and reduce cost. This is because an increasingly more important part for our company as we venture toward introducing completely new product by collaborating with leading universities and research institutes around India that will help provide nutrient rich food to our consumers. We are also taking stride towards making sure that we become carbon neutral on the as an organization in the coming years. Diversification is also the prime importance to us, which will be done through entering new business sectors like chemical manufacturing and clean energy. Hence, in the coming years, we strive for growth and reinforce our positioning by building strong brand, deepening our global presence, and catering enduring value for our all stakeholders. It gives us immense pleasure to inform you that the company has a healthy management and worker relationship, and we pledge to strengthen the same to improve quality of work culture and productivity. The year in review shows a good performance by the company with our consolidated profit almost doubled. The present order position is healthy and we are expecting the market to be consistent both in terms of liquidity and also demand in the coming years. The dedication and commitment of our team plays an important role in our company's growth and success. I would like to thank the entire team for their hard work and wish them continued success and growth with the company. On this note, I would like to thank all the co-directors of the sorry. On this note, I would like to thank all the co-directors of the board for contributing to this continuing success. My gratitude also goes to all our shareholders for their faith and belief in us. The items, as stated in the notice of AGM, have already been placed for remote e-voting earlier, and hence I reading out the items for purpose of information only. Adoption of the audited standalone and consolidated financial statement of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2024, together with the report of director and auditors thereon. Confirmation of to the declaration and payment of dividend at the rate of rupees 1 per equity share of rupees 10 each. Reappointment of Poloumi Halder, DIN number 033334305, retiring by rotation as a director of the company. Therefore, there are total 3 items to be considered and voted by the members. Now I request the shareholders to offer their suggestions or seek clarifications. One by one, I shall answer and address their concern at the end once you all share your views or seek clarifications. Thank you.
Speaker shareholder number 1, Ms. Lily Pradhan.
Am I audible? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very
Hello.
good morning, all chairpersons and all viewers. Myself, Lily Pradhan from Kolkata, attending the meeting through video conference. I am obliged that the management has given me the chance to speak at a AGM. First of all, I would like to thank the board of directors, respected chairman, respected MD, respected CFO, respected secretary with secretarial team for the wonderful arrangement and guidance me in advance for attending the AGM through video conference. As a secretary, very good, appreciative, personalized human beings. Always coordinate with me, overall very good investor services. I am really proud of our MD for being polite, decent, hardworking, and peaceful behavior. Go ahead, good wishes always with you. Sir, the company has reported profit in the previous financial year and also has accumulated reserves. Issue of bonus share will burden the company's investors' base. Is there any plan to issue bonus share to the shareholders in the near future? Nothing more. Thank you. Thank you so much. All the best.
Speaker shareholder number 2, Mr. Dipayan Pradhan.
Am I audible? Hello?
Yes,
Audible?
ma'am.
Depend from the abroad due to VC, it is possibly so in future continuous VC in the company. It is possible for the abroad persons. My question, what is the credit rating of the company? What is the capex plan for future development? Nothing more. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Speaker shareholder number 3, Bimal Krishna Sarkar.
হ্যালো হ্যালো হ্যাঁ শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? হ্যালো হ্যালো হ্যালো
Yes,
শুনতে
sir,
পাচ্ছেন?
audible.
আচ্ছা, ভেরি গুড মর্নিং। আমি আমি বিমল কৃষ্ণ সরকার, আমার রেসিডেন্স কলকাতা থেকে বলছি। আমি বাংলাতে বলছি, হালদার সাহেব, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই তো? কারণ বাঙালি কনসার্ন তো, এই জন্য আমি বাংলাতেই বলবো। স্যার, আমি প্রথমে আমার চেয়ারম্যান প্রভাত কুমার হালদারজি আর এমডি সাহেব কেশব চন্দ্র হালদার, সিএফও মৃণাল দেবনাথ, উপস্থিত শেয়ার হোল্ডার, আমি প্রথমে আপনার সেক্রেটারি ডিপার্টমেন্টকে আমি ধন্যবাদ না দিয়ে পারছি না স্যার। মানে এত সুন্দর ইনভেস্টর সার্ভিস ওনারা দেন, তাই একটু প্রশংসা না করলেই নয় স্যার। অন্তত অফিসে কোনোদিন যদি যাই তো এক কাপ চা না খাইয়ে ওনারা ছাড়েন না। এই জন্য ওনাদের সেক্রেটারি ডিপার্টমেন্টকে, মৃণাল দেবনাথজি, আপনাদের সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। স্যার, এই বছরে যে রেজাল্টটা এসছে, total income, brilliant result, sir. Increased by 49.05%. Sir, very good, sir. Sir, profit after tax, sir, significant increase হয়েছে, sir, 96.83%. স্যার, হালদার সাহেব, আপনি আপনার পুরো টিমকে আমি কিভাবে ধন্যবাদ দেব আমার ভাষা নেই, তবে আমি আপনাদের অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ দিচ্ছি এত সুন্দর রেজাল্ট নিয়ে আসার জন্য। স্যার, আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে, সেটা হচ্ছে পেজ নাম্বার 62, নোট নাম্বার 26। স্যার, অ্যাজ পার সেকশন 135 এখানে বলা হচ্ছে নট অ্যাপ্লিকেবল সিএসআর অ্যাক্টিভিটিস, নো অব্লিগেশন, কোনো অ্যাপ্লিকেবল নয়। তা পেজ নাম্বার 41, ডিউরিং দ্য ইয়ার স্পেন্ড 2 lakhs, contribution towards breast cancer, and other হচ্ছে আহমেদাবাদপুর শশার টুর্নামেন্ট। স্যার আবার দেখুন স্যার পেজ নাম্বার 149, নোট নাম্বার 27, CSR expenditure 32.47 lakhs। স্যার এই যে তিন জায়গায় তিন রকম কথা লেখা আছে না, এটা মানে হয়তো প্রিন্টিং মিস্টেক হতে পারে, স্যার একটু দেখে নেবেন স্যার কোনটা ঠিক আমি বলতে পারছি না। আমি অবশ্য মৃণালদাকে আমি কোশ্চেন পাঠিয়েছিলাম। যাই হোক স্যার আমার একটা রিকোয়েস্ট আছে, রিকোয়েস্টটা হচ্ছে ক্রুড ব্রান অয়েল, তুষ ধানের থেকে যে তেল তৈরি হচ্ছে হাই কোয়ালিটি, হ্যাঁ মানে এবছর প্রোডাকশন হয়েছে 11,405 মেট্রিক টন। স্যার খুব ভালো কথা, এই জন্য আপনাদের অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ, আর কোয়ালিটিও খুব হাই। স্যার একটা রিকোয়েস্ট স্যার, আমরা যারা আজ প্রেজেন্ট আছি স্যার একটা করে স্যাম্পেল যদি এই তুষ থেকে যে তেলটা হয় যদি আমাদেরকে দেন তাহলে এটা আমার রিকোয়েস্ট থাকলো, যদি পসিবল হয় নিশ্চয়ই দেখবেন। চেয়ারম্যান সাহেব কেশবচন্দ্র হালদার, আপনি যেভাবে এই আমাদের পারফরমেন্স নিয়ে যে সুন্দরভাবে আপনি প্রেজেন্টেশন রেখেছেন তাতে ক্লিয়ার পিকচার আমার কাছে এসে গেছে, অতএব আমার আর কোনো কোশ্চেন নেই। চেয়ারম্যান সাহেব, এমডি সাহেব, সিএফও মৃণাল দেবনাথজি এবং অন্যান্য যত আর কি এমপ্লয়ি আছে প্রত্যেকে সুস্থ থাকবেন। সামনে দুর্গাপূজা আছে, সবাই আনন্দ করুন, আর সবাই সুস্থ থাকুন, এই বলে আমার বক্তব্য কনক্লুড করলাম। স্যার বলতে দিয়েছেন এর জন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। নমস্কার মৃণাল বাবু, নমস্কার কেশবদা।
নমস্কার।
নমস্কার।
Speaker shareholder number 4, Mr. Sujan Modak.
Yeah, you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, respected chairman, other board of directors, namaskar, good morning. I'm Sujan Modak. I'm attending this meeting from my residence in Kolkata, sir. প্রভাত বাবু প্রণাম জানাই আপনাকে। কেশব বাবু নমস্কার। আপনারা আশা করি দেখে যা মনে হচ্ছে সব ভালোই আছেন। Thank you very much. Sir, if we see our performance last year, what you have shown in our annual report is a very good performance, sir. Very good performance, absolutely spot on. And we shareholders, from that point of view, definitely all are very happy, sir. Sir, I have a few questions, sir, please. Rice, we deal with, or edible oil, we also deal with, sir. What's next? Is there any diversification plan, anything we want to add to our product line? So if you can please tell us, sir. Sir, in our factory, on the renewable energy front, what is our thought process? Whether we are going for solar panels and all to reduce the consumption of electricity, if you can please tell us, sir. Sir, my third question is that whether we do safety audit in our factory, in the working places and all, because I did not really find it, but I tried to search in our annual report. I did not find it. If we do the safety audit, would you please tell us? And sir, this edible oil or ये जो सर हम लोग rice का जो काम करते हैं ना sir, is it all what I understand is all manually driven job. Now this digitization is coming slowly in all the factories. So whether we are also adopting some digitization in our process, or it's still we are doing it through manual job, if you can tell us, sir. Sir, हम लोग 2 साल से हम लोगों ने काफी बार सर रिक्वेस्ट किया एक फैक्ट्री विजिट सर, इफ इट इज पॉसिबल। মৃণাল বাবুকে আমরা প্রত্যেকবারই বলি, মৃণাল বাবু আমাদের আশ্বাস দিয়েছেন ডেফিনেটলি, বাট ডেফিনেটলি কোনো কারণে হয়তো হয়ে ওঠেনি। তো ইফ ক্যান পসিবল একটা যদি ফ্যাক্টরি ভিজিট হয়, দেন উই ক্যান রিয়েলি স্যার we use edible oil, we use rice, definitely there's no doubt of it, but how we do it, what is the process, we have never seen it. If we can see it, if we can feel it, then we can really understand it more about our factory. So it's a very humble request, if you can please do that, a factory visit, sir. Sir, page number 34, edible oil sales, you have given that branded is 4,225 metric ton and unbranded is 19,492 metric tons, sir. How you do that? Means this unbranded we supply to other companies or not? What exactly that I could not understand. So if you can please tell us. Nothing to add more, sir. Before I finish, I'd like to definitely thank our company secretary, Mr. Abhishek Pal. But एक चीज है सर, हम लोग जब भी ऑफिस में जाते हैं अभिषेक बाबू का साथ आज तक मिले नहीं है। मे भी वो सर नहीं आते, लेकिन हम जरूर मिलते हैं हमारा मृणाल बाबू से। मृणाल बाबू हम लोगों का मतलब सब ख्याल रखते हैं, ये बात तो सही है। सेक्रेटरियल डिपार्टमेंट का भी काम कर लेते हैं, इधर का भी कर लेते हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं। मृणाल बाबू नमस्कार। अपना अपना जो जो सर्विसेज यू गिव, रियली hats off, sir. So nothing to add more. Over to you for further proceedings. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you.
Speaker shareholder number 5, Manas Kumar Roy. We don't have him in the meeting. Speaker shareholder number 6, Atanu Saha.
Namaskar, sir. Sir, good morning, sir. I, Atanu Shah. Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning. Whether I'm speaking English language because we are always, it is also a matter of NSDL and Indian. Sir, my respective chairman and board of directors and our independent directors and all executive, non-executive directors. Sir, my respective, sir, Prabhat Kumar Halderji and our Keshav Kumar Halderji, sir, and our company secretary Abhishek Palji and Poloumi Halder madam and our CFO Mridal Devdutt, who is present now, and Vinay Agarwalji and Poloumi Halderji, ma'am. Sir, today it's our company organizing its 42nd annual general meeting on 23rd September 2024. It's a great pleasure for me and also all my shareholders who are present in this virtual meeting. Sir, it's a great pleasure to me that I get chance to speak this program. Sir, my previous shareholder already the important question related with factory visit, which is very, very important to know about our company's product and how is it procuring, how is it fresh for our post-production and pre-production, sir. Sir, matter of sir, inflation rising, sir. Sir, how our company maintaining its cost of product, sir. And sir, what our sir capex plan till 2027, sir. It is 2023, 24, 24, 25, and 26, 27. What would be our capex plan or our future plan till 2027, sir? And also one thing I'm just informing, matter of agendas concern, it's annual report which is under, and also the dividend is really good. And also our Poloumi madam, which is reappointment. I already casted my vote. I wish a good year ahead with good result and good dividend. Sir, one thing I'm just informing, the previous program which is held on 15th June, the matter of NCLT meeting, sir, I need a hard copy. So this is my one request. I need a hard copy. Thank you, sir. I, Atanu Shah, and also thanks to our NSDL beautifully organizing this program, this annual general meeting. Thank you, sir. I, Atanu Shah, and wish a good health to every employer, sir. Thank you, sir. I forwarding to our madam. Thank you, sir.
Speaker shareholder number 7, Prasun Kumar Chaudhary. Sir, please unmute and speak.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sabaike namaskar. My greetings to all. My special greetings to the management team of Halder Venture Limited and especially to Shri Keshav Kumar Halder Sahib for producing an excellent result for the company. I am talking from Noida. I became a shareholder of Halder Venture Limited because I believed this company will become pride of Bengal. This company is indeed a golden feather in the crown of Bengal. I want to express that the annual report is much improved this year. The physical and financial numbers provides clear vision of the status of the and performance of our company. You have rightly perceived that for our company, consumption of 2 meals a day by 130 crore Indian population provides immense market and limitless business for Halder Ventures Limited. The business of rice, edible oil has immense potential for further expansion and accelerated growth. I propose evaluation of the following business opportunities by HVL. Setting up rice mills along with paddy collection centers in Haryana and Punjab region. This region is also major production centers for sunflower and mustard. Setting up sunflower and mustard oil production mills at these locations is likely to be a prudent and profitable decision. This action also mitigates problem of political instability due to presence in only one state, that is Bengal. Further, HBL may also explore the business marketing opportunities of lentil, dal in Madhya Pradesh, shrimps in West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. My second proposal is Halder Greenfields Industries Limited. This subsidiary company may explore the business of coal gasification. For entry into this business, it is always better to proceed ahead in joint venture mode and in collaboration with a company having proven technology and relevant experience. Success in these sectors will make HVL a nationally reputed and respectable company. Please review. Further, Government of India has recently announced that Food Corporation of India will sell rice for production of ethanol. This is a great opportunity to diversify. Third proposal is export and import. HVL has a lot of import and export business. This can be further expanded through importing rice from Myanmar and raw palm oil import from Indonesia and Malaysia, export of meat and meat products to Gulf countries, etc. Please review if you can participate in such production-linked incentives (PLI) of Government of India as envisaged for palm cultivation and palm oil production. CSR activities, I request, please adapt a school and improve it so that its students are enabled to succeed in national level competitive exams. I propose for training purpose, please send your key management personnel and directors for attending appropriate management refresher courses in such colleges as IIMs. I have a few queries. Please inform the implication on the valuation of holding of other venture shares by retail investors due to allocation of shares to the shareholders of the 5 companies under amalgamation. Please educate us how the amalgamation is going to be beneficial for the retail investors, also especially with respect to apprehension increase that the price of share will decrease due to increased equity base. Is there any other subsidiary or associated companies of Halder Ventures Limited? Is there any plan to launch offer for sale of shares globally? Lastly, I want to tell you that globally, only those companies have done well who have taken good care of their investors. My good wishes to all of you. My regards to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Speaker shareholder number 8, Jaideep Bakshi. Sir, please unmute.
Yes, am I audible now? Very
Yes,
good
sir.
morning, yes, very good morning, Chairman and Board of Directors. Myself, Jaideep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. First, I convey my thanks to our Secretarial Department for giving me an opportunity and maintaining good investor service relations with the shareholders. Sir, many questions have been raised, and our initial speech by our chairman has been well explained about our position in the rice industry and also the edible oil. And congrats for the good performance. Sir, just want to know, because in these two areas we are functioning, any new area of venturing are we thinking of? And any value-added products is there in our thoughts for our pipeline for getting more customer hold so that we can make more entry? And because now the festive season is also around the corner, the consumption will be on the rise. So kindly share some thoughts regarding this. And what is our carbon reduction policy? Because that is the main cause of concern nowadays, so that we can going for the green energy and for this solar rooftop panels we are installing in every industry areas. So what is our thought process regarding this? Kindly share some thoughts. And sir, lastly, also regarding the latest technology, what we are adopting for a better efficiency and also for the last mile delivery, because we have a much more geographical area to cover. And so how are we taking this initiative, and so that the logistics movement can be smooth wise? And sir, regarding this geographical area coverage, are we having some stock points? So how we are maintaining our business pattern? So kindly share some thoughts. And sir, just also regarding the foreign exchange earning, also throw some light regarding this also. And as requested by earlier speakers, if possible, kindly arrange for a visit so that we can also see the how these oils are extracted and how this is this bottling and all this is done. So it will be a new idea for us to get to know. And thank you, sir, for giving an opportunity. I casted vote regarding for all my family members. And thanks once again for the opportunity you have given to us. Namaskar, sir. ভালো থাকবেন। সামনে পুজোর জন্য সবাইকে আগাম শুভেচ্ছা রইল। Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Speaker shareholder number 9, Dipanvita Chakrabarti.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
Good morning, myself Dipanvita Chakrabarti, attending VC from Kolkata. At first, I want to congratulate Board of Directors, Company Secretary, and my fellow shareholders to give me a chance in this platform. I am very happy to see company performance, and I hope my company will perform better to better in coming future. I casted my vote in favor of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Speaker shareholder number 10, Indrani Chakrabarti.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good morning, sir. Ma'am, I am Indrani Chakraborty, attending VC from Kolkata, a small shareholder of your company. At first, I congratulate my company secretary, board of director, and my fellow shareholder to give me a chance in this platform. I casted vote along with my family member in favor of you in this AGM. I believe my company will perform better to better in coming future. Nothing more to say. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day. Sir, madam.
Hello, sir. Morning. I am Sudipto Chakraborty, sir. I face some problem in my mobile. So, sir, please give me chance to speak something from this mic. Sir, I believe my company is in strong hand and it will perform better to better in coming future for your honesty, dedication, devotion and determination. It's true. My company faced tough challenge last several years, sir, but performance of last 5 years is excellent, sir. And share price is growing day by day from 50 rupees around. Today onwards, more or less 1,000 rupees. It's very pleasure for an investor. Sir, I just want to know how can you control your liabilities and interest cost. Thank you, sir, for patient sharing. Thank you, everybody. Thank you,
Speaker
sir.
shareholder number 12, Manas Banerjee.
Audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning to everyone. Respected Chairman Sir, present Board of Directors, and fellow shareholders. Sir, my previous speaker was not yet. Yes, that is. Respected Chairman Sir, present Board of Directors, and fellow shareholders. Myself, Manas Banerjee, joining from Kolkata. Sir, thank you for your insightful and transparent address. I wanted to express my heartfelt appreciation and admiration for the Halder Group's remarkable journey, spanning an incredible 100 years. The group has navigated challenges, innovated, and diversified, creating value for employees, shareholders, and the community. I am honored to be a part of this legacy. For the financial year 2023-24, our company achieved 77% positive growth on revenue and almost double growth on PAT if I compare with last year. For this, congratulations to the management team. And sir, I really appreciate the management team in terms of consistent dividend payout. I already supported all the resolutions by remote e-voting. Now come to my queries. Sir, I just wanted to understand in terms of revenue mix between the rice, edible oil, palm oil, and rice bran oil. How do you see the revenue mix currently? My second query is, how margin will pan out from here over the next 2 to 3 years? Third, sir, on international business, what kind of growth you are targeting for financial year 2025? And finally, what is our strategy for getting its e-commerce business? Before I conclude, I would like to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to our respected Company Secretary, Mr. Abhishek Pal, and respected CFO, Mr. Mrinal Devnath, for their invaluable assistance and services for shareholders. I wish the company continued success and growth under your able leadership. Thank you for patient sharing. Over to you, sir.
Speaker shareholder number 30, Mr. Subhash Garg.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone, and greetings of the day to our respected chairman, sir, MD, sir, and all the board members. My name is Subhash Garg, joining from Kolkata. Sir, I am thrilled to be part of this historic moment, the centenarian year of Halder Group. Congratulations to the team on this achievement. Chairman, sir, your initial speech was a very informative one and excellent one regarding our company. I would like to congratulate you and entire management for excellent performance the financial year 2023-24. Display in our annual report, it's a really wonderful and informative with fact and figures. So healthy revenue from operation and profit after tax. It's a big jump and a robust performance. Continue with this performance in the coming year. Sir, I once again thanks to the management team for giving wonderful dividend. I wholeheartedly support all the regulation. My sincere thanks, well-experienced company secretary, Mr. Abhishek Paul, and entire team. Very good investor service and registering my name as a speaker. And my special thanks to our CFO, Mr. Mrinal Devnath, always maintaining cordial relationship with the shareholders. Sir, so some of my question. Sir, how is the dynamics in the international market from India in terms of margin and revenue? Next, sir, what measures are being taken to improve operational efficiencies and reduce cost? Next, sir, any value addition for our export and how much will greater contribution to our revenue from the export sector the last and final query, sir. The carbon neutrality and green energy for building a clean nation and bring a smile to our future generation. What is our thought process? Nothing to add more. I wish you and entire team very good health and a great success and prosperities in the coming future. Thank you. Namaskar. Bhalo থাকবেন, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Speaker shareholder number 40, Sukla Roy. We don't have him in the meeting. Speaker shareholder number 15, Tapas Kumar Roy. He is not in the meeting. Speaker shareholder number 16, Amit Kumar Banerjee. Yes, sir.
Good morning to everyone. Respected chairman of the meeting, other board members present, myself, Amit Kumar Banerjee from City of Kolkata. Thank you for getting me connected and opportunity to speak such a wonderful meeting today organized by our company, Halder Ventures Limited. Yes, it is our 42nd annual meeting through video conferencing. As regards the performance is concerned, first of all, I really congratulate the entire management team for presenting us such a wonderful performance during this year as visible in the balance sheet under review. Total revenue stood with a tune around 95 crores of rupees. Last year, it was 33 crores. Profit after tax about 130.89 lakhs of rupees. EPS is also 4.24. It's a very good performance. CSR activity is also there for the welfare measures. Dividend is also there. Sir, I would like to know about what is your debt reduction and minimization policy and interest cost. Kindly share your views. The short term about 45 crores are there. So kindly keep attention over there also. What is the plans for further betterment of profitabilities and revenue growth of the company? Consider the possible split of the shares as the market price is about 900 rupees presents. Consider planned visit as earlier speakers have already raised. Do consider so that we being a shareholders could see how the infrastructures, because we never seen such a wonderful plans you are organized over there. Sir, what is the research and development cost to sales for the last 2 years? If possible, kindly throw some light. I would also suggest, if possible, sir, interim dividend may kindly be considered, as the dividend is only 1 rupees, but in the market price is quoting now around about 900. So do consider one interim dividend also. I hope our company will definitely grow up with betterment near future year ahead. Will maintain necessary infrastructure and transparency at all levels, and definitely keeping in mind shareholders rewarding policy. I thank all team members for such a beautiful video conferencing meeting today. Myself, Amit Kumar Banerjee, over to you for further proceedings. Thank you, sir.
We have no other speaker shareholders. I now request the board to proceed with the shareholder queries.
Thank you. Just for your information, some of our members, shareholders issued some queries and they had suggested some their suggestion. One of our shareholders asked about the issue of bonus shares. I just informed them all other shareholders, equity shareholders benefited services like issue of bonus shares, increase of dividend. We'll definitely let you know. Yes, it is you will be rest assured. We have a plan, and we will, if there is anything in regards of issue of bonus share, increase in amount of dividend, we'll definitely let you know. In regards of capex works, already our MD sir in his during his speech had stated that we have taken a huge capex work in the coming years 2023-24 and 25-26 also. And in regards of hard copy of NCLT, yes, we have already shared the scheme of arrangement to all the shareholders in regards of our amalgamation procedure. And one of our shareholders had raised the carbon neutralization. Yes, we had the plan as a corporate responsibility. We are doing the work of carbon neutralization. The process is going on. And in regards of debt reduction and interest cost, some of our shareholders have raised their concern about the high interest cost. We just you be assured, we have taken a few more projects in hand, and as you know, in the during the phase of growth phase, it's really it might be it might show the huge cost, but definitely our huge performance will substitute this. Okay, thank you. I just over to our MD sirs for the further proceeding.
Sir, shall we conclude?
Sorry, there is some technical problem. Please unmute everybody. Not unmute. Sorry. May I now request the members who have not earlier exercised their votes through remote voting and are desirous to exercise it now to do the same now. The results declared along with the scrutinizer's report shall be placed on the company's website www.haldarventure.in and on the website of NSDL www.nsdl.com within 2 working days of the passing of the resolutions at the 42nd AGM of the company on 30th September 2024, and the same would be communicated to the BSE Limited, where the shares of the company are listed. Thank you all for the shareholders for making 42nd annual general meeting successful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Please conclude the meeting.
Thank you everyone for your participation. We have now stopped live streaming.